Alright, this is Liberty stock number 51339. It's Milltronics, model RH12, vertical machining center, serial number 7266. Has a Centurion 6 CNC control, coolant and base, and 10-position automatic tool changer.
It's got all that, doesn't it?
It does.
Show the back side a little bit. We'll come around, play
Sure.
with it. Yeah. More room on this side, your call. Curtains, yeah. And the panel's kind of tight. Air package, boiler, and air mister are all in here, so. Way loop down here.
Okay, looks good.
And the mister, yeah. We don't worry about that. I think I've got the panel open here as you come around, so. Take a look through there.
Good.
Come around, got documentation down low here, and that's about it up front. Go to the controller here whenever you're ready. Let's see what I can do here. I've got about 35 minutes on this control. Let's see how it goes, Pete. But I can do an auto cycle. We do have a program loaded up in there. In MDI, maybe I can do a tool change real quick, which would be M06T, I don't know, 2. Enter. And cycle start. Tool change coming up. And I don't know what tool the auto cycle will run in, but we'll find out. For that or then for jogging and spindle. I think spindle. We're in manual right now. There's spindle. I'll shut it off. Wait for the compressor to stop, but I can dial that up.
Okay.
There's clockwise coming up. Let's see, that's at almost 2,000. 25. 3. 35.
Sounds great.
Yeah, it's 4,000. You see it right up on here. That's at 80%, only because the way I programmed it in MDI. I'm going to dial it down now. 34. I don't know what it runs in the auto cycle, but that's that. Yeah, we'll stop that. And then we'll hit done, get over to jog. Jog is over here somewhere. Jog, you got the keys here to move stuff around, which are these guys right here. I'm coming down now. I'm just on buttons, that's all. Here. Go back up. Sounds nice. This one runs. What, A2? Yep, these guys. I mean, that's pretty much it. That said, we can exit out of that. I'm just going to jump into it. I guess, yeah, that's what hand wheel works. Jump into a run mode here, which will bring up this program right here. I'm going to hit start. It's going to say, put the tool in, do whatever you need to do, and hit OK, which I'm going to do. Now we've got our cycle start flash. And I'm going to hit this, pull back, and you can watch cycle start, then you can come back and do the graph. Yeah, just going to go up. And that's it. Positioning comes down. Now I can turn up the speed. I had this down low. I'm just turn up the feed speed right here. Oh, that's my spindle. There we go. And feed speed is here. There we go. And to get into graph, I'm going to escape out of there. Display. Here's graph settings here. As you can see, everything running on the page otherwise. And even when I get into graph, it positions it on the side. Oh, there's our deal right there. So That's all this is. Somebody just put this program in there. They were doing some slotting, I don't know. So this would just kind of go like that. You can watch the numbers and of course watch it up at the machine too. Yeah, it all looks pretty good. And of course, if I just want to stop right there, all I would do is hit halt. I hit halt here somewhere and hit stop on the spindle. And I'm still feeding, as you can see. I just stopped the spindle. And somewhere along the line here, there's halt. Yeah, and we halt it. And I can just start it all back up again by going into run. If I escape, hit run, and hit start, hit OK, and cycle start. Goes back up, repositions itself, and we already have the right tool in there, so it won't index. And that's it. And halt. Did it the opposite this time. Now I stopped the axis, kept the spindle going, and hit stop on spindles. And there's counterclockwise on spindle. And here's clockwise. It sounds pretty much the same.
Sounds the same.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean,
That's
yeah,
it.
There we go.
That's great.
We're looking good.